Breakthrough. Well, it is tough times in the car industry, and that means the deals they are doing can look pretty attractive. But not all deals are what they seem, as rugby league star Sam Kasiano found out. Sam has just discovered he'll pay more in interest than the cost of his new car. David Richardson investigates the tricks and traps of car finance to discover which deals really are the best.
At 21, I was bankrupt because of car finance.
The car finance trap. Young Australians hot for their first car, being led into finance deals they simply can't afford. How did you get suckered into this?
Being told that you can afford it, like if it's on paper, and plus you get, as soon as you fall in love with for an item, so for the car for example, they can just make you do anything to get it just because you want it.
Piers Elliott wasn't looking for a car, but when he went with a mate who was car hunting, Piers fell in love with a black XR6 just like this. In reality, could you afford that car?
Nah. Especially not with the comprehensive insurance that wasn't mentioned.
The young apprentice was told he'd be paying $50 a week for his dream car. He signed for car dealer finance, not realising the real repayments or the cost of insuring the vehicle. While the dealer didn't lie, he's not without blame here.
Well, he actually got told, I got declined the first application. He got told I couldn't afford it, so he just found a perk on how it would look like I could.
And how did you do that?
He got me to borrow money off a friend.
How much did you lose in this whole experience?
Effectively 25 grand.
I mean, what do you think about what's happened to you?
I don't know, just been ripped off.
But what percentage did you think you were paying for the car?
I was hoping under 10%.
And what were you paying?
I'm paying now 24%, 23.9%.
There's no stopping Kasiano!
Rugby league giant Sam Kasiano is one of the biggest hitters in the game. Now his bank balance has been slammed, signing on for finance for a $39,000 Commodore, but paying way more than that.
Probably be paying this car 3 times over.
So you pay this 3 times over?
Yeah.
Not quite, Sam, but almost. Sam's repayments will amount to $77,000 by the time he's paid it off. Now Sam and his mum Kalala have come forward to save others from this trap.
If it can happen to Sam, it can happen to anybody. That's the bottom line.
What if I told you you could buy any of these Australian-built Toyota models now on 0% finance?
The Ford 2.9% finance offer is now available.
We're being bombarded with new car marketing deals that appear to be the lowest ever seen. 0% to 2.9%, financed through car dealerships, as companies compete in an unpredictable market, pushing sales to clear the stock. But there's a trap here too.
The pros are that the rates really are sharp, they're real. The cons are that you're generally limited to, a 3 or a 4 year term, so you must make larger repayments in order to pay the vehicle off completely over that term.
Christopher Groth is the research manager for Canstar, Australia's leading financial comparison and ratings firm. He says it's wise to look at all options.
You've got your traditional banks, building societies and credit unions really compete quite hard in this space, and this is one of their core products. So they're really active in the marketplace. You've also got the dealer finance as well, but there's many options for consumers to get a great deal.
With cars, especially new cars, it's about the total deal, not just interest rates and repayment terms, but depreciation as well.
Not only think about the interest that you might pay on the personal loan, but on the other side of the coin, think about how much the vehicles might be worth at the end of the term and how much you pay in total repayments.
If you feel safer with a car loan instead of dealer finance, Canstar came up with its star rating list. The 5-star deals they found are the Teachers Mutual Bank secured new car loan at 11.45%, Victoria Teachers Mutual Bank green car loan at 9.9%, the Greater Building Society new car loan 8.6%, and the People's Choice Credit Union green loan secured at 7.42%. Senior Policy Advisor with the NRMA, Jack Haley, advises buyers to take advantage of the limited cooling off period if you're not sure.
If you take finance from a dealer, there's a 1-day cooling off period, which is not long. So you want to be pretty sure before you sign up that you're going to go through with it.
And read the fine print.
And especially read the fine print. And do as your mother says, run it by me first.
For Big Sam Cassiano, it's one hit he has to ride out. But his mother has this warning to other young buyers.
Yeah, if it can happen to him, it will still happen. So just give them a fair go.